On July 22, 2018, Polish ski mountaineer Andrzej Bargiel made history by becoming the first person to ski down from the summit of K2, the world's second highest peak at 8,611 meters, or 28,251 feet. Known as the Savage Mountain, K2 is one of the most dangerous and technically challenging peaks in the world, with a fatality rate of nearly 25%. Bargiel's achievement was not only a personal triumph, but also a groundbreaking moment in the history of mountaineering and extreme skiing. His descent, completed without supplemental oxygen or fixed ropes, redefined the limits of what is possible in high-altitude skiing. Andrzej Bargiel's journey to K2 began long before the 2018 expedition. A seasoned ski mountaineer, Bargiel had already skied down other 8,000-meter peaks, including Manaslu and Broad Peak, to test his skills and equipment. However, K2 presented a unique set of challenges. Its steep slopes, ranging from 45 to 60 degrees, unpredictable weather, and frequent avalanches made it a far more dangerous endeavor. Bargiel spent years preparing for the expedition, meticulously planning every detail, from securing permits to testing gear and studying the mountain's conditions. His brother, Bartek Bargiel, a filmmaker and expedition partner, played a crucial role in documenting the journey and supporting the team. The expedition began in June 2018, when Bargiel and his team traveled to Pakistan to reach K2 Base Camp, located at 5,150 meters, or 16,900 feet. The team navigated through the Baltoro Glacier, one of the longest glaciers outside the polar regions, to establish their base of operations. From there, they began the arduous process of acclimatization, establishing higher camps, and fixing ropes on the most dangerous sections of the mountain. The team faced numerous challenges, including extreme weather, altitude sickness, and the constant threat of avalanches. Bargiel's determination and meticulous preparation were key to overcoming these obstacles. On July 22, 2018, after days of grueling climbing, Bargiel reached the summit of K2 at approximately 7 a.m. local time. The ascent was completed without supplemental oxygen, a feat in itself, but the real challenge lay ahead: the descent. Bargiel strapped on his skis and began the perilous journey down the mountain. The descent took approximately 7 hours and covered over 3,000 vertical meters, or 9,800 feet. Bargiel navigated through the bottleneck, a treacherous couloir just below the summit, and avoided massive seracs and ice falls. The steep slopes, unpredictable snow conditions, and extreme altitude made every turn a life-or-death decision. Despite the immense risks, Bargiel successfully skied down to base camp, becoming the first person to achieve this monumental feat. Bargiel's historic descent was a testament to human ambition, resilience, and the unbreakable spirit of adventure. His achievement was widely celebrated in the mountaineering community and beyond, solidifying his place in the annals of extreme sports. The expedition was documented in the film The Impossible Descent, which captures the challenges, risks, and triumphs of Bargiel's journey. By skiing down K2, Andrzej Bargiel not only conquered one of the world's most dangerous mountains, but also inspired countless others to push beyond their limits and pursue their dreams.